Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my CVS midweek haul. I went back to CVS to pick up some more items and I used the 20 off 100 next purchase CRT I got in my text message. And I want to say a big thank you to you all for your support and watching my video every week. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video, and let's see what we can find. The first deal I'll be picking up will be the spend 20 get $5 bag, and the Cottonelle flushable wipes is included in this deal. They are also on sale for 2 for $10. I'll be picking up 2. To get to 20, I'll be adding the Cottonelle toilet paper on sale for 2 for $10 as well, and that's the 4 mega rolls. This will total me $20, and I'll be using the $2.50 coupon everybody got on Sunday in our app. That will drop the price down to $17.50, and I'll get $5 back, making both items $12.50 or $6.25. But like I mentioned earlier, I have a 20 off 100 next purchase CRT that I'll be adding this deal to. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be the spend 30 get $10 bag, and I'll be picking up the Gain trial sheets on sale for $5.49. And we have a $1 in our app that is attaching to it. And the next item will be the Gain fabric softener on sale for $5.49. Since we are using the first $1 coupon for the dryer sheet, go on P&G website and print out another $1 that we use for this item. The next item I will pick up will be the Tide antibacterial fabric spray on sale for $5.49. And on P&G website, there is a $3 coupon that is also attaching to it. When you read the description, you can see where it says antibacterial fabric spray. That means you can also use it. To complete this deal, I'll also add the Tide pod on sale for $13.49. And we have a $3 in our app that you can use, or you can print out one from P&G website. The total for these items will be $29.96, and I left my coupons at home, so this will be all digital deal for me. So if you're doing it exactly how I'm doing mine, after the coupons it's going to drop it down to $25.96, and I'll get $10 back, making all 4 of them $15.96 or $3.99 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 20 get $5 bag on Cetaphil or different, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Cetaphil lotions priced at $10.99 each, and these 2 items are going to come up to $21.98. I have 2 $4 coupons I got from Cetaphil.com. All I did was sign up and they emailed me this coupon. With just these 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13.98, and I'll get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2.25 on each one of them. And after the rebate, these 2 items are going to cost me just $4.48 or $2.24 each. The next deal will be on General Mills cereal. It's not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $1.99. So you can pick whichever one you like, but I'll be picking 2 of the Lucky Charms. 2 of them are going to come up to $3.98. We have a 1 of 2 digital coupon that you can use for this. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta and you get back $1.50 for buying 2, making both items $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on CoverGirl. It's on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and these 3 items are going to come up to $17.38. We all received a $3 instant CRT on Sunday that we use for this, and I'll be using 3 of the $3 paper coupon that expired on Saturday. It's going to drop it down to $5.37, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items free and a $4.63 money maker. The last deal in this transaction is just an extra thing I wanted to pick up. It's the Radius Big Kids toothbrush. I will be picking up the one that have the handle and the head. It's priced at $7.49, but I don't have any coupon for this, so I'll end up paying the $7.49, and I'll get $2 back, making it just $5.49. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction using my 20 off 100 next purchase CRT. This transaction went great. You can see all the items I picked up. Everything I showed earlier on, I picked each and every one of them up. And my coupons came off as expected. I used the 20 off 100 next purchase CRT, the $3 instant CRT applied for the cover girl. I ended up using $47 extra care box to pay for this deal, paid $1.20 out of pocket. I got back $5 for spend 20 get 5 on the Cottonelle products, and I also got a $10 back for spend 30 get 10, and a $5 back for spend 20 on Cetaphil. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got my $2.50 back on each of them, and also got $10 back for buying 3 of the CoverGirl products, and another $2 back for buying the toothbrush. And for the Lucky Charms, I got back $1.50 on Ibotta. After this whole rebate, this whole transaction ended up costing me just $10.20, or 64 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for joining me once again and your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.